Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. A saying says in Yoruba language, it says, Ìpolówó ọjà làgúnmu òwò, meaning promotion is the medicine for a successful business. I was on the street. I talked to some people. In this video, I will be talking to you live and direct as I will be updating you with what I have for you in stock about the learning of Isese Yoruba Religion on this channel. Ensure you watch this video till the end for you to be on the same page with me as I set to take Isese Yoruba Religion to the next level.
It's been a very stressful day today. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So you are watching Get a Better Life channel. As you can see me, I'm wearing the branded Isese Lagba shirt. So we are taking this campaign to the next level. Our ancestral faith is the best. When I say is the best, I think you understand what I mean. You have been watching my videos. Now what I will be doing in a couple of weeks or months or days to come, we'll be going on the streets, and as well we'll be moving around, travel to places to speak to our elders so that we can hear from the horse's mouth. So today I moved around. I talked to a couple of people, just to take the campaign to the next level. So when you hear Isese Lagba, a lot of people don't really know the meaning of this phrase. Isese Lagba. Isese means our tradition, our culture as Yorubas take the lead. That is the best for us. The meaning of that is that the advent of civilization, tends to take charge of our traditions, our culture, our everything. As a matter of fact, I, as a person, I'm a lover of a civilized society. I'm a lover of civilization, so to speak. But civilization shouldn't take away our culture, our traditions, our values as Yorubas, as Africans, away from us, right? So that's why I'm lucky to be part of this generation. I'm very lucky. So for that reason, I've understood that our ancestors did a lot of hard work to get us to where we are. Take for instance, in my land, in where I come from, in Yoruba land, some of the places that you see that we have our villages, our towns, we all came from Oloye. And as it is told, we were told that our ancestors moved from Oloye to the rest of the towns in Yoruba land with the use of Ifa. You know what that means? With the use of Ifa, our ancestors left Oloye, wherever they want to, in my Yoruba we call it Tedo. That is, wherever they want to stay to make a town for themselves, they used to cast Ifa to ask whether, oh, this point is okay for them to stay or not. So that's for you to know that the entire Yoruba land were built on Ifa, on the, let me call it prophecy of Ifa. All our lands in Yoruba lands, we were able to create or to dominate our lands with the use of Ifa, you know. So when we say Isese Lagba, Isese, we should not forget the fact that we all came from Isese. That is our traditions, the way we used to do it in the past. So as it is now, I've made the shirts. As you can see it, I've made the shirts. So we are working hard to do more. So this is just the testing of what we want to do. So we'll be coming up with a lot of ideas to promote our traditions, our culture, our religion as Yorubas. So some call it Yoruba Religion, which is okay. So, but we know it to be Isese, that is our traditions. Our traditions is all about how we live our life, both in spiritual life or in physical, the norms, the way we do things is all about our Isese. And you cannot take away spirituality from Isese. Spirituality in the sense that our ancestors knew God before the coming of all of these foreign religions, you know, so to speak. So our ancestors knew God. In fact, there is something that I had an experience from someone. That person, you know, feel that whoever talks about Isese or talks about Orunmila, talks about Ogun, Shango or whatever, you know, some people feel that, oh, these people are devil, these people are evil, these people are, you know, your fellow Yorubas will be looking at you as if for the fact that you embrace your ancestral faith, your ancestral traditions. Does that mean that you are evil? No. To the extent that someone even goes to the extent of, or went to the extent of calling people like us Antichrist. You know, when you say Antichrist, I don't even know the meaning of Antichrist, but I do say that we are not Antichrist, right? We are not Antichrist. We are promoting our own traditions. We are promoting our own culture, our own norms as Yorubas, right? So for the fact that I embrace my ancestral faith does not make me an Antichrist, right? So we'll start the campaign. We'll be going from one city to another to campaign to let people know why we should go back to our ancestral faith, why we should embrace Isese, you know, as Yorubas, right? If I'm happy that I have a brother that is so passionate about Isese as well. I have many of them like that, but he's the only one around for now that I always give respect to, because when you are doing something and you see that people are happy with what you are doing, that means what you are doing is good. If it's bad, nobody would embrace you. Nobody will be happy with what you are doing, even though some are talking bad about us, but I don't care, right? Because I've learned a lot of things. So meet my brother, one of the biggest brothers that I have. He's right here, that is supporting the industry, the ministry, or that is supporting the movement. You know, it's a movement. I can call it a movement, or because we are bringing people back. We are bringing our Yoruba people back to our Isese.
We equally enjoyed ourselves. We had some fun.
My name is Abayomi Olusegun Fanwo. You know the meaning of Fanwo? Fanwo is Ifawo. So Isese Lagba. As my colleague have said, I've been watching his channel. And in fact, I'm very happy with what he's doing. He's doing well. What I can say about Isese is that Isese is our traditional and cultural heritage. What do you mean by Isese Lagba? To me, is Isese Lagba means the in thing. Isese Lagba means our culture is the ultimate. Before the advent of Christianity and Islam, we have our culture. And our culture cannot just go like that. So we need to promote our culture. I'm a Christian, I go to church, but that doesn't mean I will abandon Isese. Isese is the in thing, is our root. We started from the culture. We can't abandon our culture. For example, during wedding, why do we still do traditional wedding? Why do you still do it? It's part of Isese. We carry yam. You take kola nut. Bring a lot of things, our native something. That means Isese is still in thing. So I will appreciate all our members all over the world to come and let's promote Isese. I'm a fan of Isese. Isese Lagba for life. Keep it up, man, my brother.
So, guys, subscribe to this channel because very soon I will be going to our ancient places in Yorubaland. I will be meeting our elders to talk to us. Most of them will be talking in Yoruba. Me, from my side, I will be interpreting, explaining how everything happens, how everything works to you, so that you can understand everything from the source. So we'll be going around, traveling. I'll be traveling to villages, to towns, to our ancient towns, ancient villages, our shrines, I call it shrines because this is what you people don't want to hear. Shrine doesn't mean that shrine is that it doesn't mean that it's an evil place, right? So I'll be going to places, our ancient places, our sacred places, for us to dig down, to ask questions, to talk to our elders, to meet them, for them to explain to us what all of this are all about. So on this channel you'll be watching a lot of it. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, so that you will not miss anything. So thank you very much. I want you to show love to people around you, care for everybody around you, do what is right, respect the law of your land, respect everyone around you, and love everyone.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.